How to text a girl you like. Just copy these examples. 1. Content her inside 24 hours of meeting her. Have you heard the dating rule that you should hold up 3 days to call a young lady after you meet? Well, get this. Most young ladies presently anticipate that men should get in touch with them inside 24 hours of meeting. Why would that be? Since it's extraordinarily simple to connect, you can content, call, FaceTime, Facebook, and so on. So in the event that you stand by any longer than 24 hours before messaging her, she'll figure you aren't keen on different words. Messaging is simple, so is there any valid reason why you wouldn't content on the off chance that you truly like her? Great writings to send. Hello, her name. It's Ryan from this current Daytimes gathering. Hello, her name. I'm happy Stella presented us yesterday. These writings are straightforward and to the point, yet you contact the young lady inside 24 hours of meeting her, ensuring she recalls that you, and realizes you're intrigued. Try not to send these writings. Hello, it's Ryan from Stella's gathering a week ago. What's happening? While it is anything but an awful discourteous content, it infers that it's been well more than 24 hours since you met. Regardless of whether she recalls that she won't be intrigued that it took you that long to acknowledge you're keen on her. 2. Start a book discussion with a young lady. Each person has gazed at his telephone thinking about what he should type to get a discussion with a young lady going. You may have even composed up a couple of drafts before choosing what to send. Realizing how to begin a book discussion with a young lady expels all that pressure and gives you a chance to get directly to visiting. Regardless of whether you need to appear to be energetic, scholarly, coy, or interesting, content-friendly exchanges are an ideal method to begin a discourse. Likewise, getting an irregular book from you will let her realize you're pondering her, and it will keep her contemplating you, as well. Great writings to send. Okay, rather have a superpower or boundless cash? What current pattern truly irritates you? What is the greatest warning for you in a relationship? These writings assist you with becoming acquainted with her better and are intended to be the start of a more drawn-out discussion. With some subsequent inquiries you can guide the discussion toward any path. Try not to send these writings. What are you up to? Multiple times out of 10 the response to that question is very little, not actually a captivating dialogue. Give her space to express her considerations on something and it's almost certain that she'll end up contemplating you.